Welcome to this guide. Learn today about how to download movies on the Amazon Prime Video app. If you want to watch content offline without using data, follow these simple steps. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then, on the home page, select the movie you want to download and then click on it. Once you have selected the movie, look for the download option and then click on it. Before downloading, the app will ask you in which language you want to download the movie. Please note that the option refers to the audio language, and that you can only download in languages supported by Amazon Prime Video, and then click on that language. By selecting the language, the app also determines what quality you want to download. This will offer you some options. It is up to you to decide what quality you want to download, and then click on the Start Download option. Once the download is complete, go to the Download section in the app menu. The downloaded movies will be available for offline viewing. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded content to the Amazon Prime Video app. Now you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows anytime, even without an internet connection. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.